Welcome to actually 1111 West Washington, but in this little apartment building, it's called Apartment 4. We are on West Washington. That's Washington Elementary right there across from us. We're in the heart of the West Central Neighborhood Association. Say hi to all of our neighbors over here. Wonderful, big, beautiful houses here in West Central. And this is the very first apartment that we've gotten done here at, I don't have a name for this, but I wanted to take a chance or take a moment and kind of show you the first one we've done here. And they'll all look like this eventually. Brand new bamboo hardwood floors. Glorious, beautiful, sustainable, earth-friendly. Does have air conditioning. Good-sized living room. It is an all-electric apartment, so it's electric heat, electric air conditioning, electric stove. You just pay the electric and then a small water sewer fee. And then off the living room, you've got a kitchen, new fridge, new stove, probably even still has tags and stuff. Oh yeah, there's the instruction manual. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, brand new glass, some glass on the bottom. All right, and new countertops, cabinets look great. A nice, just good working kitchen. Oh, and if you ever get the chance, always look for the deep well sink. You can't wash your dishes in a little tiny sink. I don't understand why anybody uses those little short sinks. There's a closet here, like a coat closet. Bathroom in the center. This is a really good floor plan. Bathroom, vanity, I mean everything a bathroom needs. And then a nice large bedroom. You could easily get a king size bed in here. This is probably, I don't know, 15 by 14. Does have the big closet over there. And you do have your own hot water heater. And it's right here. Ta-da, your own hot water heater. So you're pretty self-sufficient here. This is 1111 West Washington. It's technically apartment number 4, but we call it 1111 West Washington. So I guess technically that's what it is. Nice big bedroom, brand new bamboo hardwood floors. Every single thing a bathroom needs, even a bath vent. It's got air conditioning up there. Got a nice styled kitchen. Brand new electric stove. Brand new refrigerator. Look at the high gooseneck on the faucet there. Ready to go. And again, you pay electric only, and then you'll have a small water sewer charge. Thank you for watching.